are watching Kiddos Kaleidoscope.
Bibo and the Bike Cart. Today, Bibo is cycling up the hill into the town. His bicycle has a cart on the back. Please, can I have a lift in your cart? Asks Mino the Monkey. Of course, says Bibo the Bear, and off he goes with one passenger. I'm in a hurry. Can I have a lift in your cart? Asks Pollo the Pig. Yes, you can, says Bibo the Bear, and off he goes with two passengers. Please, can I have a lift too? Asks Sara the Sheep. The more the merrier, says Bibo the Bear, and off he goes with three passengers, all in a small wooden cart. He huffs and puffs as he pedals up the hill. The cart creaks and shudders. Crack, crack. Oh dear, the cart has broken. Now Bibo has no cart and no passengers. They roll all the way down the hill and land on the grass at the bottom. They all have a good laugh about it. Bibo and the missing toy. Bibo's friend, Pollo, has a favorite toy. It's a little wind-up mouse that shoots across the floor whenever you let go. But it seems that today, Pollo has lost his toy mouse. I'll help you find it, says Bibo. They look inside the refrigerator beside the cheese. Mice like cheese, so I heard. They check over the grandfather clock. The mouse ran up the clock in the famous rhyme, right? They check inside the cookie tin. Do mice get hungry, they wonder? Then Bibo sees a little hole in the wall. He peers into the hole. Your toy mouse! They finally find Pollo's toy inside the mouse house with real mice. It's a mouse party, Bibo giggles. Bibo makes cookies. Bibo and his friend Mino are going to make cookies. We'll make some big cookies and some little cookies, says Bibo. They add a small bowl of sugar, a medium-sized bowl of flour, and a block of butter in a big bowl. So Bibo stirs the mixture together, round and round. Now the mixture's all light and fluffy, says Mino. Mino takes a little spoon, and Bibo takes a big spoon. Mino puts a small dollop of cookie mixture on the baking tray. Bibo puts a large dollop of mixture on the tray. Mino places the baking tray in the oven. I can't wait, he says. Once the cookies are baked, Mino takes out the baking tray carefully. Bibo and Mino finally get to eat the cookies once they have cooled. So yummy, they say happily. Bibo and the Bear Cafe. Today, Bibo the Bear is playing make-believe. He is pretending to be a barista at the Bear Cafe. His first customer comes in. It's Mino the Monkey. An iced tea, please. Make sure it's cold, says Mino. Bibo prepares an iced tea and adds 1 ice cube in it. Sara the Sheep enters the Bear Cafe too. "A tea, please. Make sure it's hot," she says. Bibo prepares a hot tea and adds 2 spoons of sugar in it. But somehow, Sara's hot tea is cold and Mino's iced tea is hot. How is it possible, they wonder? "Oh, Bibo, you must have mixed up the orders," they giggle. Bibo chuckles and apologizes for the mix-up. Finally, Sara and Mino exchange their cups. Playing make-believe is too much fun, they say happily.
Bibo and his friends are waiting for the bus. They are very excited because they're going to the amusement park. Oh, here comes the bus. Uh-oh, looks like the bus needs some cleaning. Can you help them wash the bus? The bus is clean now. Let's go.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The brakes on the bus go squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The brakes on the bus go squeak, 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 all through the town.
Let's collect all the stars on the way. After a while, the bus stops near a restaurant for a little break. Bibo and his friends are very hungry. Bibo and his friends are so full. Now, let's continue the bus ride.
The lights on the bus go on and off, on and off, on and off. The lights on the bus go on and off, all through the town. The feet on the bus go tap, 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 tap. The feet on the bus go tap, 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 all through the town.
The bus slowly stops near a gas station. Oh no! The bus is almost out of gas. Can you fill the gas? Yippee! The bus is ready to go. Let's begin the journey again.
The windows of the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows of the bus go up and down, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Woohoo! Bibo and his friends have reached the amusement park. Thank you for joining them on their fun journey.
Bibo's day at the beach. Today, Bibo the Bear, Sara the Sheep, Pollo the Pig, and Mino the Monkey are going to the beach. But the beach is boring. Is there anything interesting there? Bibo wonders. At the beach, Bibo finds a seashell. It is rough on the outside. I wonder what else we can find, he says as he pops it into his bucket. Mino spots a smooth oval rock with a round hole through the middle. He pops it into Bibo's bucket. Wonderful! Pollo finds a stick. It is wooden and coarse. Pollo pops it into Bibo's bucket as well. Awesome! And Sara has found a washed-up seaweed. It is stretchy and soft. She also puts it in Bibo's bucket. Superb! Bibo looks inside his beach treasure bucket. The beach isn't boring at all. There are so many exciting things here. I love the beach. Bibo needs a bath. Bibo the Bear has been playing in the garden all morning. We're going out soon, Bibo. You must get ready, says Mama Bear. I'm ready, Mama, says Bibo, wiping his muddy paws on his shirt. No, you're all dirty. You need a bath. Bibo thinks baths are a waste of time. I dislike baths, he says, stamping his muddy feet. Bibo, you need to get clean, says Mama Bear. Why? Bibo protests as Mama Bear runs the bath. Because bears with bad breath, sweaty feet, and dirty fur really don't smell good, says Mama Bear, holding her nose. Mama has filled the tub with lots of bubbles and a brand new bath toy. Surprise! Oh, wow! Bibo plays and splashes and makes bubble beards. He is having such a fabulous time. Bibo, I think you're done, Mama Bear says and chuckles loudly. All right, Mom, but I think I love baths now, Bibo says as he finally comes out of the bathtub.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.